The TOZO S5 Smartwatch combines style, fitness, and smart features in one sleek design. With Bluetooth calling, health tracking, and a vibrant display, it keeps you connected and active all day. What's in the box? In the box, you find the TOZO S5 Smartwatch. Large band, charging cable, and user manual. How to pair. To pair the TOZO S5 Smartwatch, first power on the watch and enable Bluetooth on your smartphone. Download the TOZO Fit app from the App Store or Google Play, open the app, and create or log in to your account. Tap Add Device in the app, select the TOZO S5 from the available devices list, and confirm the Bluetooth pairing request on both your phone and smartwatch. Once connected, the watch will automatically sync your data and notifications. How to charge. To charge the TOZO S5 smartwatch, attach the magnetic charging cable to the back of the watch, making sure the two charging pins align properly with the connectors. The charger only fits one way, so the magnets will automatically snap into the correct position. Then, plug the USB-A end of the cable into a wall charger or USB power source. Once connected, the smartwatch screen will light up and display the charging status and battery percentage. Smart features? The TOZO S5 features a bright and colorful AMOLED screen that delivers sharp visuals and smooth touch response. It makes notifications, fitness stats, and watch faces easy to view both indoors and outdoors. Built-in Bluetooth calling allows you to answer and make calls directly from your smartwatch. This helps you stay connected without needing to constantly reach for your phone. The smartwatch tracks heart rate, blood oxygen levels, sleep quality, and daily wellness data in real time. These health features help you better understand and manage your overall fitness. With support for various workout and activity modes, the TOZO S5 accurately tracks steps, calories, distance, and exercise performance. It helps keep your fitness goals organized and motivating. The efficient battery design provides extended daily usage on a single charge. This makes the smartwatch reliable for work, workouts, travel, and everyday use. Specifications. Safety precautions. Want to grab the TOZO S5 smartwatch from Amazon? Just tap on the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your TOZO S5 smartwatch. See you at the next one.